Sichuan hand-torn cabbage, Shu Si Bao Cai. A delicious Chinese, Sichuan, side dish vegetable recipe. This recipe serves to 4 servings. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 5 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams green cabbage, 50 grams pork belly, 10 to 15 pieces dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorns, 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, 2 stalks scallions, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons Chengqiang black vinegar, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine. Step 1. Prepare the cabbage by removing the core and tearing the leaves by hand into irregular 2-inch pieces. Hand tearing creates more surface area for the sauce to cling to compared to knife cutting. Step 2. Wash the torn cabbage thoroughly in cold water and spin it completely dry. Any excess moisture will steam the cabbage rather than sear it, losing the desired crunch. Step 3. In a small bowl, whisk together the light soy sauce, sugar, and salt. Keep the black vinegar separate to preserve its volatile aroma. Step 4. Heat your wok over medium-high heat until a bead of water evaporates instantly. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and swirl to coat. Step 5. Add the sliced pork belly. Stir-fry until the fat renders out and the edges become golden and slightly crispy. Remove the pork if you prefer it soft, or leave it in for texture. Step 6. Reduce heat to medium. Add the remaining oil if the wok looks dry. Add the Sichuan peppercorns and stir-fry for 30 seconds until fragrant but not burnt. Step 7. Add the dried chilies, garlic, ginger, and scallion whites. Stir-fry for about 20 seconds until the chilies turn a dark, toasted red and the aromatics are pungent. Step 8. Turn the heat to the highest setting possible. This is crucial for wok hei. Step 9. Add the cabbage leaves to the wok. Toss vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes. The leaves should begin to wilt slightly but remain bright green with charred spots. Step 10. Splash the Shaoxing wine around the edges of the wok, allowing the steam to penetrate the cabbage. Step 11. Pour the soy sauce mixture over the cabbage and toss for another 30 seconds until every leaf is glazed. Step 12. Just before turning off the heat, drizzle the Chengqiang black vinegar around the hot perimeter of the wok so it atomizes and coats the dish in a smoky tang. Step 13. Give it one final quick toss and transfer immediately to a warm serving plate. The cabbage should be tender crisp. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.